Can your spouse stop you from getting a divorce? Well, I'm Howard Snader, and I'm the owner of the Snader Law Group. And the Snader Law Group serves the entire Phoenix metro area and all types of family law matters. Today, I just want to talk very briefly with you about whether or not your spouse can prevent you from getting a divorce. And simply stated, the short answer is no, your spouse can't stop you from getting a divorce. But if they want to step up, if they want to contest it, they can make it a longer process, certainly more expensive, and certainly more acrimonious. When we speak about those situations where one refuses to cooperate, a judge in a family law matter is always looking at reasonableness. Are the parties being reasonable, or is one person taking an unreasonable perspective? So when you start prepping the paperwork for the divorce, filing the paperwork, possibly even going into court for mediation or presenting your arguments, if one side's being unreasonable, it's going to stretch things out time-wise. It's going to require a judge to step up and make orders. That means you're in court, you're making arguments. That becomes more expensive also. If your spouse wants to fight the divorce, frequently that means you're going to need a process server to have them served. And again, they've got to participate in good faith with both settlement negotiations or mediation, whatever the judge and your system provides. If you refuse to settle, then certainly your matter would be on a trial track and you would need a trial. Those are things that we would always hope to avoid if you get an attorney involved, and hopefully we can convince them to start participating. We've had that situation where the other side does not want a divorce, either because they want to play a game or they just don't want to be divorced. Our job as counsel is to try and get them to that negotiation stage. Trial is something to be avoided and usually can be avoided, but again, only if both parties are on the same page on some level. Cooperation is always going to be in your interest and the interest of your spouse. It will save you a substantial amount of time. It will get the matter through the system more quickly. It's less emotionally draining. It will get you moving on your new life, moving forward much faster. When you're ready to take that step, if you have any questions on how to take that step, you need to give us a call at the Snader Law Group. 602-883-2940. We'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you.